child, all these experiences are magic.
Here, you can be bonded with the colorful flowers and butterflies and get a chance to wish in front of a magical...
Jadi, wish ko sa imo gamay pag inupukat ko ayon ka sa school.
Thank you so much, sir. And then, we want to hear also the one thing coming from Lolo Rocky. Ano siya? Lolo. Ayaw ko pa sa Lolo. How about Lola Nelly?
Yes, thank you so much!
Little friends, Mama Sir, thank you so much. Pwede na ako makabalik sa
Say happy birthday Italian! The longer as you can. Okay, ang pinakalawig-lawig mo is, okay? Ready? Happy birthday Italian! 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday, Kaya!
Thank you so much, Russell! Okay, so that's it. Ano please? Ano pangalan? Yeah? Kyrie Garcia. Okay, Kyrie, so this time you have to beat the score of Russell. 9 seconds. Kaya? Kaya. Okay, happy birthday, Talia, and 1, 2, 3, and go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 seconds! Thank you so much, Kyrie! Hello! Okay, turn. What's your name? Kyrie. Okay, you got this. 17 seconds of Kyrie. Kaya. Okay, ready? In the video. And 1, 2, 3, and go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 seconds! Okay, wala na. Wala na. Yes. And the average is right, Irene. What's here? This is for you. Yes, and it started the Fairy Tale and Friends loves to eat Sunday ice cream. Loves to twirl. Twirly is correct. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, how about the boys? Who want to try?
Go.
Russian. Okay, muna ni. Burger. Yum is correct. Thank you so much. Okay, to our birthday girl. Okay, kaya hindi pa kapag... Si Daddy. Okay, please come to the little baby sa Okay, last thing, Chicken Joy. Jollibee. Jollibee is correct. Thank you so much. And 2, 20.
Let us all walk
that wonderful Jollibee now. Thank you so much, Mother April. So this time, Jollibee has a 3 wishes to our birthday girl. Are you ready? Mom, ready ka na sa birthday message? Ready? Okay. So this time, for the first wish of Jollibee for your birthday girl is for you to grow up, to be strong and healthy.
And the second wish of Jollibee for your birthday girl is for you to grow up to be smart and intelligent kid.
Let's go! And the last wish of Jollibee for your birthday girl, Talia, is for you to grow up with a strong faith in the Almighty and always happy, just like Jollibee! Ay, kasi gusto ko makita si Mami at Talia na nag-wiggle. Together with Curly and Jollibee. Okay! Ready ka na ba? Ready! So this time, kanina nag-ibok ka sa Jollibee class. Okay, pupunta man. Pero mawigol ka lang yan, ma'am. Okay, ang mahimo lang si Jollibee and Twirly. And after that, you have to do the chat. Okay, ready? Twirly and Jollibee, Mommy and Dada, sa Jollibee! Biga at siya! Clap, clap, cha-cha-cha! Let's give a round of applause to Jollibee, Twirly, and of course, Mommy and birthday girl. So this time, si Twirly and Jollibee prepared a dance number for us. We want to see our Jollibee friends dancing. Sige! Okay, so this time, Jollibee, ikapoy na sa pagkapala na sulod. Finger heart. It's a finger heart. Okay, yes! So this time, Twirly and Jollibee, are you ready? Ready na. So this time, let's give a round of applause to Twirly and Jollibee!
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Alright, this time louder and faster. Go, go, go!
Jolly birthday to you.
Jolly birthday!
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
One more!
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Alright, thank you so much. This time, birthday girl Talia, and of course,